Hi, grade 9. Today we're going to talk about how we can add and subtract integers. If you look to all the algebraic expression here, to solve it, you will find something that it's very clear that you can find double sign, positive and positive, positive and negative, or negative and negative. So this double sign, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, we need to find a solution for this one. I need to take a piece of this algebraic expression and explain what the meaning of minus negative 5. This is exactly like there is a hidden negative 1 that you multiply it by the negative 5. So since there is a hidden multiplication here, we need to study a little bit the multiplication table with integers. And this is a table in the right side, and this is for multiplication and even for division. It's going to work for both. So how we can multiply integers? For sure, when we multiply any two numbers, we use the same multiplication table that we know it. But regarding the sign, we need to know that when we multiply the same sign, if I multiply positive sign with positive sign, they have the same sign. Right away, the answer is going to be positive. And when I multiply negative with negative, because they have the same sign, the result will be positive. However, if I am multiplying a positive with negative, for example, this positive with this negative, since they have different sign, right away the answer will be negative. Or if I multiply this positive by this negative, again, since they have different sign, the result or the product, it can be negative. So from here, I can right away change this double sign to one sign. Negative times negative is going to be positive 5. And with this way, I eliminate the double sign with only one sign. So let's take this into our consideration and see how we can do it here. So I'm going to say this one equal to, I have only one sign, so negative 4, okay. Positive times positive, since we said on the table that they have the same sign, the product will be positive 9. After that, positive and negative, since they have different sign, the product is going to be negative 2. And since minus and negative here, they have the same sign, the result is going to be positive 5. Now it's easy. If I have negative 4 and I'm adding positive 9, it's going to give me positive 5. And I reduce 2, that means positive 3, and I'm adding another 5, it's going to be positive 8. And this is the last solution, or the solution of this algebraic expression. The same thing here. Since the negative 1 by itself, I leave it as it is. Negative and negative, they are the same sign, so it's going to be positive 6. Negative and positive, they have different sign, so it's going to give me negative 3. And positive and negative, different sign, so it will give me negative 10. Here I can start now to combine everything. Negative 1 and positive 6, it's going to give me positive 5, minus 3, positive 2, minus 10, negative 8. In this one, on the right side, the same thing. I'm going to see that the negative 10 is by itself, so I will leave it as negative 10. Positive and negative, they are different sign. That means negative 4. Positive 7, I leave it as it is. It's not double sign. Negative and negative, since they are the same, so it's going to give me positive 2. Negative 8, it's only negative 8, so I leave it like that. And positive and negative, since they are different sign, it will give me negative 1. Now I can combine negative 10, negative 14, negative 7, because positive 7, and negative 14, going to be negative 7, plus 2, that means negative 5, negative 5 and negative 8, negative 13, then negative 14. Again, I'm going to give you two extra problems that they are a little bit longer. Again, if the 4 has only positive sign, so I leave it as this. Positive and negative, again, they are different, so it's going to give me negative 12 from the multiplication table. I have positive 10, I leave it as this. I have positive and negative to eliminate the double sign. That means they are different, so it's going to be negative 6. Negative and positive, again, double sign. It will give me negative since they are different sign. And after that, negative and negative, they are the same sign, so it will give me positive 8. Now, I can combine everything. 4, negative 8, positive 2, negative 4, negative 8, plus 8 means 0. Next, again, the negative here by itself, so I keep it negative 2. Negative and negative, they are the same sign, so it's positive 4. Positive and negative, they are different, so it's going to be negative 5. Positive and positive, the same sign, so it will give me positive 3. Negative and negative, it will give me positive 1, since they are the same sign. So negative 2 and 4, it's going to give me positive 2, negative 3, 0, and 1. So I hope you understood how we can add any integers in algebraic expression with the case that we can see the double sign, and how we can eliminate it through our knowledge about how we can multiply the sign. If they have the same sign, it's positive. If they are different sign, it will be negative. Thank you for listening.